Topic: What happens inside the human body after 72 hours without water? Did you know? The human body can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. Water moves oxygen through your blood. It stabilizes electrical signals in the brain. It allows every cell to keep its structure. When hydration is normal, none of this feels noticeable. Your heart doesn't struggle. Your brain doesn't slow down. This balance feels permanent, but the body never stores water for later. It expects constant replacement. And the moment the supply stops, the countdown quietly begins. Within the first 24 hours without water, the body does not panic. It adapts. The kidneys immediately reduce fluid loss. Urine becomes darker. Saliva thickens. The mouth feels dry. Inside the brain, thirst signals increase, but internally, systems still cooperate. Blood pressure remains stable. Temperature stays controlled. Nothing feels dangerous yet. This is the most deceptive phase because the body is already changing without asking for permission. As water loss continues, blood volume slowly drops. With less fluid available, blood becomes thicker. The heart must work harder to move oxygen through denser circulation. The slowdown is subtle, too small to trigger alarm. The brain notices first. Focus weakens. Reaction time stretches, not because of tiredness, but because fluid is missing from the system. This is dehydration affecting function before sensation. By the second day, the heart begins compensating. It does not beat faster. It beats more efficiently. Blood vessels narrow slightly to maintain pressure. From the outside, everything still looks calm. Heart rate feels normal, but inside, effort has increased. The heart is now working against thicker blood, with less margin for error. This is not failure. This is controlled strain. Around the 48-hour mark, the brain changes strategy. Non-essential signals are reduced. Complex thought fades. Emotional responses flatten. Awareness narrows. The brain is not shutting down. It is conserving. Water stabilizes electrical activity. Without enough of it, the brain chooses silence over instability. This is why dehydration can feel calm, not peaceful, just quiet. Water does more than hydrate. It balances electrolytes that control nerve signals and muscle movement. Without enough water, these signals become unstable. Communication between systems weakens. Muscles feel heavy. Coordination drifts. The body is still functioning, but precision is gone. This is not chaos. It is gradual loss of synchronization. By the third day without water, kidney filtration slows dramatically. Waste removal becomes inefficient. Not suddenly, not painfully, quietly. The kidneys prioritize survival over cleaning. Toxins build slowly. The body does not scream. It adjusts. This is where long-term damage begins, without a clear warning. After 72 hours without water, the body enters containment mode. Non-critical systems reduce activity. Energy is preserved. Signals are minimized. This is not collapse. It is controlled shutdown behavior. The most dangerous part of dehydration is not thirst. It's how quietly the body adapts before systems stop communicating. By the time you feel something is wrong, your body has already been compensating for days.